Alright, so we're about to embark on the big one, the long one, maybe a 3-parter, maybe a 2-parter, who knows. We'll see what happens. It's always an adventure. Okay, we are packed tight, and I mean tight. Got GPS ready, we are ready to rock. We are riding north. This is gonna be a long adventure. Let's get her done. We've got friends coming with us, so we'll be a threesome riding to the north side. All right, we've got a full tank of gas and we're ready to go. All right, say goodbye to home for the night. We're leaving. All right, so we're about a half an hour out of Denpasar. The traffic's been not bad at all. Making good time. Got a left turn coming up, but a big truck in front. Let's pass it. Oh yeah, making it look easy. It's not. Haha. And this lady with the NMAX in front of me, she's had her signal on for the last kilometer. Oh, she remembered. Check out this truck. It kind of reminds me of being in Southern California. Watching those Mexican dudes haul around a bunch of stuff. Well, I'll tell you something, Mexican dudes. Indonesians will give you a run for your money. You're certainly better at it than us white boys, that's for sure. This is an interesting new town that we haven't ridden through. It's pretty big. Reasonable amount of traffic. Alright, finally made it to our first stop. We're about an hour and 20 minutes north of Denpasar, and there's this trail. If I had an off-road bike we can go down, but we're not going to go down it. We're just going to stop here and take some pictures, but it feels good to stretch. That was a long ride with a lot of big trucks in front of us, but mostly smooth sailing. So she's preparing the camera. That's my vape, of course, and this is the curvy road we're going to head out on, up that way. And this is the curvy road that we came in on. You know, we must not be that high yet because it is still burning hot up here. Onward we go. Finally out of the city. Woohoo! Yeah! A little higher now. Just missed a couple of monkeys crossing the road. yes, I am aware my face probably looks oily because when you're riding this long in the sun, it takes a second layer of sunscreen for somebody this white. We're about 15 minutes from the hotel. So we're almost there, and it's been a great ride, and I'm gonna show you a couple of things here. So we stopped in front of this little shop right here, a little clothing, everything store. And of course, been a great ride on the PCX the whole way. Cozy and plenty of speed. And our friends needed gas in the Scoopy, which they got right across the street at the Pertamina. And as you can see behind us, got some nice mountains covered in clouds up there. So basically the ocean is just not even 5-10 minutes, probably to our northeast. Here we are on the north side of Bali. Oh, accident. Okay, so we pulled off here right by the ocean to give you a shot of what it looks like here on the north side as we make it closer to Labina. In fact, I think we passed Labina. And then behind me, you see this big old mountain. I know you probably can't see in this picture, but there's a lot of monkeys up there. Oh yeah, you can see one walking around across the street. Right there he is, a little bugger. Well, apparently everyone's got to pee, so we're heading on out of here into the hotel. Just down the street, but I gotta find an ATM. So as we were pulling out, there's a whole family of monkeys right up on that hill. All right, just stopped at the ATM. The hotel is just right up here. Let's go check it out. There's a dive bar right across the street, by the way. And when I say dive bar, I mean dive bar. Look at that. It's called dive bar. Ay, ay, ay. This is our room for the evening. It's a really old style building. The bed's comfortable. It's got AC, and the bathroom, once again, is outdoors. So you can take a shower and look at the sky. So we are at the Sudi Guest House, and our section is over here. That's the room I'm sleeping in, and all of our friends and all the little moniettes are sleeping in those two rooms. We've got our own little prayer elephant. How cool was that to have your own little prayer elephant? And a nice place to hang out and sit. We gotta check this out. Oh, look at that. It's like it's a canoe. Yeah, it's a canoe with a gazebo. Looking out the side here, this is a really nice area. And the walkway to the other offering. Then if you come out this way, there's more of the Sudi Guest House down there. And going way back down that road, who knows what you'd find. Probably something very fun and interesting. And then parking is there. And the main road is right out there. That was a long ride. Does anybody ever get your eyeballs sunburned? Because I think I do. Because my eyes are burning so bad I can barely keep them open. I guess I need to start riding with sunglasses. But I really don't like sunglasses that much. Oh good, here comes Mama with the eye drops. I'm looking out back behind our hotel and look, there's a couple kitties. Hi kitties. Just hanging there. And then a bunch of baby chickens ran by and look, there's a chicken right out there. Just roaming around like, hey buddy. We rode for dinner about 5 kilometers, so here we are. There's the entrance, it's right here on the beach, so you can eat and enjoy the water. Looks like this will be our table, right next to the water. Well, you can't beat this for a place to eat. About the only thing that could ruin your dinner is a tsunami. Looking over the menu, and we got a visitor at our table. Come here, bud. We don't have any crumbs yet. We just sat down. So the first of the food just came. Check it out. That's a heart-shaped rice. Brown rice, nonetheless. And look at that, spicy sambal and fresh grilled ikan fish. Got double over there. Triple over there. Look at that. We're living it up, man. And this, my friends, is my grilled mahi-mahi with fries. No, I will not be using that creamy shit in the middle. But it looks delicious. That was a fantastic mahi-mahi dinner. And if you look over here, this brave chicken keeps taunting this rooster. And somebody told me that rooster's worth 1,000,000 rupiah. So that's a $100 rooster right there. Wow. And look, the tables, they're canoes, just like at our hotel. You've got to check this out, but I can't scare him. Look at that. The chicken's in the tree. Hey buddy, how the heck did you get up there? This is a fun tree with a xylophone or something there by the rooster. It's like the poltergeist tree. And as you can see, it's getting darker. Now the moon was right out there, center screen, so bright. And then I turn around, about a minute later I turn around, it's gone. Like somebody just turned off the projector. Crow 777 and Quantum of Conscience will know what I'm talking about. Alright, have a last look at the moon before we take off. It was a fantastic dinner. And that chicken is still sitting in the tree, which is really tripping me out. Look at that. I think at this point on my channel, no matter where we stop, ever, or ride to, you will always see us at the Endo Mart. Anyway, the girls are getting some snacks or something for tonight, even though we just had a really good dinner. And then I'm gonna stop at, believe it or not, the next Endo Mart, or Circle K, or Alpha Mart, or whatever it is, and grab a bintang for the hotel. But, oh, I'm so glad it's nighttime now. Oh, my eyes aren't burning as bad. I got a really bad sunburn in my eye. There's a lizard on the wall. Okay, you got us. 2 of the kids wanted JFC. And there's a JFC. Alright. We are taking a night walk out of our hotel. And that's the music coming out of the local mosque. I guess it's over, but you can see the mosque there. This is creepy and cool. I went and grabbed a beer. And it's dark out here and dark out in that field. But yet we have our canoe. And I got my beer and my headphones ready to enjoy at our canoe, but never know what kind of critters are lurking around. But who cares?